Hello everyone, we are back to hairstyling. Hope you have your hair washed and got ready. So let's get into it. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braided. So this is an unusual braiding. So you have to do the braiding in an alternative fashion. That is, we usually do it in an inwards manner, but this time we're gonna do the braiding in an outwards manner. So cross the tails from the third side to the first one in outwards manner. So this is how you should braid it. So once when you do one cycle of braiding, have each strand of hair borrowed from either side of the braid, making it go in between the braid gap. So this is how you should braid it. So once when you empty every hand to the bottom, do the braiding as normal as you do, but remember, do the braiding in an outwards manner. So continue doing the braiding and secure the end with the rubber band and pinch out the braid at the sides to make it into a flatter braid and drop in your favorite hairpin in the middle of the braid's gap to decorate your hairstyle. Grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into 2 equal parts and have ponytails on each of them. Then drop the right tail into the left loop and left into the right loop and have it come down and continue doing it over and over on top of each other and make it as a bun. Then with the excess tip we have it come by at the bottom with the wrap band and stuff it inside the bun we just now created. So have it in place but drop in a little hairpin and make it completely hidden underneath the bun we just now created. Then decorate with a lovely hairpin on top of that to make it into a loopy manner. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair and grab the sides of the hair and tie it over the tail with the rubber band and drop the tail into its own loop, making a twisted band. Then twist it, forming a little loop and drop the first tail into it and make it come down and tighten a little bit by splitting it into 2. Then grab the sides of the hair from the bottom section and tie it over the tail with the rubber band and drop the tail into the loop, making another twisted band. Then after that, with the entire top section of the hair, pinch out the hair to boost out the volume. Do the same pinch out design of the bottom section as well. With the remaining tail, we have split them into 3 parts and have it braided. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Go for a ponytail and have a hair loop attached from the bottom left and have your entire ponytail go from bottom to top and have it come down from the top right. Then have a rubber band touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tip over, stuff it to the last loop of the rubber band and move it to the top and stuff it inside the middle one, making it completely hidden and have it as a bun. Then have the entire loop go inside and have it in place by dropping a beautiful big black hairpin through it. And to decorate your hairstyle even more further, dropping your favorite hairpin. Go for a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have it braided. So this is an unusual form of braiding as we did before in the first part. So it's a very easy one, just have it braiding as normal as you would do, but start from the third tail and end up with the first tail so that the third tail goes to the first place and comes back to the third place. So this is how you should braid it. So do the same braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. But don't forget to pinch out the braid at the sides to make it into a loopy braid. So do the same until the bottom as well. Then after that, to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop on your favorite hairpin at the sides of it. Move your ponytail to the top and have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom of the ponytail and bring the tail back and have a rubber band attach the middle part of it and bend the tip over to the top and have it stuffed into the last loop of the rubber band and making it completely hidden into the middle part and make it completely in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin through the rubber band. Thank you everyone for watching this video.